Assalamu alaikum class 4. Open your English practice book from page number 34. Today you have your grammar lesson modal verb. Modal verbs express ability, obligation, possibility and so on. You have table here of modal verbs. Can, टू एक्सप्रेस एबिलिटी, काबिलियत के लिए, काबिलियत बयान करने के लिए. एग्जाम्पल, आई कैन स्पीक अ लिटिल रशियन. कैन, टू रिक्वेस्ट परमिशन, दरख्वास्त या इजाज़त के लिए. कैन आई ओपन द विंडो, में, मुमकिनात. टू एक्सप्रेस पॉसिबिलिटी यानी मुमकिन, जो मुमकिनात को बयान करने के लिए. आई मे बी होम लेट, में, दरख्वास्त या इजाज़त. टू रिक्वेस्ट परमिशन, मे आई सिट डाउन प्लीज़. मस्ट, फ़र्ज के लिए. टू एक्सप्रेस ओब्लिगेशन, आई मस्ट गो नाउ. मस्ट, पुख्ता अक़ीदे के लिए. टू एक्सप्रेस स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीव, शी मस्ट बी ओवर 90 years old. शुड, नसीहत के लिए. To give advice, you should stop smoking. Would, दरख्वास्त या पेशकश के लिए. To request or offer. Would you like a cup of tea? Would, अगर वाले जुमलों के लिए. In, if sentences. If I were you, I would say sorry. Next, you have question number 1. Fill in the blanks with suitable modal verbs from the word bank. Will, ga, gi, ge, must, should, can, may. You have studied already the meaning of these words. Could, हो सकता था. Might, it will use for permission or possibilities. A, you may borrow the books. B, you must fill out an application form. C number, we might need to get some milk. D number, students should stay at home. E, you can leave your coats. F number, you will clean up your room. G number, he may take a science tuition class. On next page. H number, I think you should wear your blue shirt. I number, you could fix those shoes. J number, you might want to try on some of the salad. K, you should see if the book is available online. L, you can make a copy of this document. M, you must be nice to your little brother. N, you must have automobile insurance. Question number 2. Read the following sentences and complete each sentence with the suitable modal from the box. Modal being modal verbs. A, you have forgotten to put on your watch, so you ask a lady the time. I'm sorry, bother you, but could you please tell me the time? B, your brother is playing the drums while your dad is trying to sleep.